what is Universal Adult Franchise? That is UAF. Okay, you already know about what it stands for. UAF stands for Universal Adult Franchise. It is related to right to vote. Okay, right to vote. Clear hai? So it means any person who is adult, who is 18 years old or above, have right to vote. He or she can cast their vote without any kind of discrimination, that is difference of caste, color and creed. It means that a person is either from high class, low class, poor, rich, girl, boy. When they become 18 years old or above, they have right to vote to a person of their choice. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to tell you importance of equality with the help of a story. Okay, and the story is divided into different scene. Okay, let us understand equality and inequality with the help of the story of Kanta. Kanta, who is a maid. Okay, who used to sweep, who used to clean the houses of rich class people to earn her livelihood. Okay, now this is first scene, and I have drawn some interesting diagrams, cartoons to make this story more and more interesting and for your better understanding, so you can comprehend this uh, interestingly, in a better way. Okay, so first scene, this is a line where people are standing and waiting for their turn to cast vote. This is a line, you can see I have made this um, line in which doctor, teacher, sweeper, trader all are standing and waiting for their turn to cast their vote, and they're standing here representing equality. They're standing in a queue here. Okay, and they are representing that they all are humans and there is no difference between them. Okay, keeping aside their professions. Now this is second scene, and you can see that these two ladies, this is Kanta and this is Sujata. Okay, their names are also written, Kanta and Sujata. Now, first lady is Kanta and Sujata is Kanta. Now, Kanta says she feels good and she says we all are equal and standing in line. She feels very, very happy that she is a maid and her friend is also poor, but along with them, others are also standing. Other person is of higher status, is a doctor, teacher, man, woman, etc. And on listening this, Sujata is also feeling very happy and she is saying yes. Okay. Now, but one thing Kanta was most happy was about Jane Saab. Jane Saab is another person who is a rich person, higher status person, ठीक है, higher status person who is standing along them in a line. Okay, she is happy because she is saying that this is a higher status person, rich person. He is also standing with us. It represents total equality. I am very happy about this. That in our country equality is followed. Now third scene, Kanta goes to cast her vote. Okay, now it's now Kanta's turn to cast her vote, and she votes to that person who promised them to bring water pipe in their area. Okay, like you know that poor people used to live in slum areas, and slum areas are like bastis. These are uncleaned areas, unhygienic areas, and there is lack of water pipes, cleanliness. So she said that she is going to cast vote to that person who promised them to bring water pipe in their area. Now, fourth scene, after casting their vote, they left the place and said namaste to Jane Saab. Okay. Now, next fifth scene. Now, Kanta saying to Sujata, Kanta was saying something to Sujata. It is Kanta was saying, my Gudiya daughter is having fever. She wants to take her daughter, that is Gudiya, to hospital. Kanta is feeling very bad that her daughter, whose name is Gudiya, is having fever. She is not well and she wants to take her to hospital, and she is very worried about her daughter's health. Okay, so she need to finish her work at Sahib's house and get some advance because she is a poor lady. Now she is not having sufficient money. So after finishing her work, she is going to ask her headmistress, yeah, whoever it is, that please give me advance, so I must get this advance and use it for getting my daughter recovered to take her to hospital. Now she goes to home. This is daughter who is sick. She is Gudiya, and this is Kanta who bring something to drink for her daughter. And Kanta is saying, "Please, beta, have this. You will feel better. I'll back in evening. Then we will go to hospital." She is saying, "Ki, have this. You will feel after drinking this." And she will back after completing her work and after getting advance, and then she will take her to hospital. They both will go to hospital for check. Okay. Now next, seventh scene, in which Kanta feels very bad according to her reason of disease in their unclean basti. When she comes out of house, she see that the basti is very unclean, unhygienic, and she feel that because of this unhygienic condition, her daughter felt sick. Okay. Now, eighth scene, Kanta went to her headmistress' house. She cleans the house of Sahib, and Sahib means here the high status person. Okay, the Sahib here is high status, rich person house. Okay. Then Kanta demands for advance to her headmistress. Now this is Mrs. Jane. This is a scene in which this is Mrs. Jane. She is having advance, that is money. Okay, in her hand, and this is Kanta. Now she is saying something to Kanta. She is saying, "This is your advance. Don't make it habit." Okay, and Kanta is saying, "No, madam." She is advising Kanta that right now I am giving you advance. I am giving you money, but please don't make it your habit. You will only get your advance, you will only get your money after completing your work after a month. Right now I am helping because of your sick daughter. So this was the